In this video, we are going to see how we can customize the Brave browser new tab page. So here is the new tab page where we have made the setting that whenever we open the Brave browser, it always open on the new tab. So let's say that you want to customize or revamp this page. How we can do it? It's very simple to do. What you can do is just go to the right hand corner on the hamburger sign or 3 lines, just click on the settings right at the bottom. And here, if we scroll down a little bit, it says new tab page, how you want it to be shown. So new tab page shows the dashboard. Let's say that you want to show it just as a blank page or a home page. You can do that as well. So let me just change it to blank page. And after that, just go back and close out of here. And now if we open this, it will always open in a totally blank page. Similarly, let's try the other one, that is the home page. Close out of here. And now it shows a home page where you can add your favorite sites to this homepage link so that you can quickly access through it. And also what you can do is just go to the settings again, scroll down, and let's say that we have set a home page or dashboard. You can customize that home page or dashboard. Let me just set it to home page. Click on customize a new tab. Here you can use your own backgrounds. You can use any kind of gradients and solid colors if you want to, but I'll just keep it to Brave backgrounds. And here it says show new tab page ads with Brave rewards. You can earn for new tab page ads, but you can disable this if you want to. And you can also customize the top sites that you want it to be shown. So for example, favorites, whatever you have marked as favorite, it will show that as top sites. Otherwise, just frequently visited can be set as top sites as well. So I prefer this one, frequently visited. So it will automatically customize the option once you visit the sites more often than the others. You can also turn on the feature of Brave News. I'll just currently disable this. You can also set the clock. So for example, if you want to show the clock on the front face of the home page, you can do that as well. You can customize it to a 12-hour or a 24-hour format. Also, you can see down here, you can see different cards which says Brave VPN. You can see the news, you can see the stats. So let's say that we only want to keep the stats and we want to disable or toggle off all of the other features. You can simply toggle that off from here. Actually, let's disable that completely. And similarly, let's go here back. If you click on the search, you can customize how the search shows different search engines. So if you want to show the Google, you want to show Bing on the face of it, you can also add those widgets here. So turn on the Brave News, let's say, as well. Actually, let's turn off the Brave News because it will show a lot of news now. I want to turn this off. And now it shows something like this. If we open this back again, it will show us something like this. So that's how basically you customize the Brave browser on a new tab page. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.